How to see a wish list on Battle.net. Are you guys pressing to see a wish list on Battle.net? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To see up your wish list, just simply open the Battle.net app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on Battle.net, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this option where you can see multiple options. Just simply head over to this option where you can see this wish list, tap on it. After you click on it, you will be able to see your games that you have added on your wish list section. So it's taking time. You need to write down your registered email and password. As soon as you write it down, then your wish list will be appeared. However, if I log in into my account will get exposed. So that's why I couldn't log in into my account. As soon as you click on wish list, then your game will be seen in the section. So that's it, guys. That's how going to be your wish list. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.